Hi everyone, welcome to this presentation on OPAL Innovation Challenge. As part of this, we are trying to solve one of the most persistent challenges in the marketing. Here are the topics covered in this presentation. We are Transformers team, my esteemed colleague Ratish Ramachandran, Senior Technology Architect at Infosys Digital Practice, and myself Madhumita Anbargan, Principal Enterprise Applications at Infosys Digital. Let's dive into a problem statement. We all would have come across the scenario where the marketing team often creates a content which is well written, but it somehow fails to impress the target audience. Take an example from the utility domain, a promotional marketing campaign targeted at the energy conscious homeowner. The first campaign says save more with smart meters, but it does not get expected response from the persona because it is casual and generic. So it's known to us that the energy conscious homeowner persona respond better to a content which is more empathetic and informative. So the second campaign, which says embracing green living, strikes a chord with the target persona. So why does this happen? There are various reasons, like persona definitions are fragmented, real-time feedback is lacking, and mostly the content reviews are manual. And because of these reasons, the content does not get its due, resulting in a lower engagement and reduced conversions. We have to make every piece of content count.
Our OPAL powered solution solves this problem. It analyzes the content against the target personas using 4 different agents: the content analyzer, the persona based scoring agent, the content improvement suggestion agent, and the rewrite agent. All these agents are orchestrated in a workflow to achieve the desired outcome, thus producing the content which is aligned to the target personas. So let's dig deeper into the solution and understand the specialized agents. The first agent is the NLP, or the natural language processor based content analyzer agent. This agent is responsible for extracting the tone, the sentiment, the keywords, the content type, and the structure. It would output tone. For example, it would say whether it's casual or empathetic. Sentiment would be positive or negative. It would extract all the keywords, the content, and the structure. This would form as an input to the next agent. The second agent is the persona-based content scoring agent. This agent is responsible for comparing the NLP output with the persona instructions and calculate a weighted score. And it would do a tone match, it would do a keyword match, a relevance match against the pain points on the content match, and it will also do a total score computation. The third agent is the content improvement suggestion agent. This agent is responsible for generating improvement suggestions based on the scoring gaps. So it would calculate tone adjustments, keyword additions, mismatches, and so on. And the last agent is the rewrite agent. This agent is responsible for writing content based on the suggestions to align with the selected personas. The output would be adjusted tone, it would embed the keywords, it would reformat the structure, and finally you will get a persona aligned content. Hello and welcome to the quick demo. The first agent that we are looking at is the content analyzer agent, to which we have passed the URL. It has gone ahead and extracted the various dimensions. You can see the detailed output here. There is a table with all the dimensions and extracted values, and there is also an analysis summary for it. The second agent is the persona-based scoring agent, where it has gone and scored the content against each of the personas. You can see the detailed output here. So there is a scoring table with various dimensions and the total score, and also there is an explanation for the various dimensions. Also, it has explained the alignments and misalignments for the content. The third agent is the content improvement agent. You can see the detailed output here. There is a suggestions table for each of the personas against the various dimensions, and there is also an analysis summary of the misalignments, how the suggestions will improve the content, etc. And the last agent is the rewrite agent. It has gone and rewritten the content for one of the personas, and it also uh, has a comparison of the scores of original content as well as the rewritten content. The detailed output would be here. So this is the rewritten content, and there is a scoring breakdown of the original and as well as the rewritten content here. And this can be visualized in a graph as well. So the graph would show the comparison between the original as well as the revised content like this. There is a breakdown of each of the dimensions. So that completes our demo. Thank you. So as you have seen, our OPAL solution leads to a faster content iteration, higher persona alignment, improved content performance, and most definitely drives stronger campaign results. This makes every content count. Thank you for your time. I hope you have enjoyed this presentation.